Hello YouTube, welcome back to a Monday edition of Driving Up Stocks. Thank you as always for being here. If you're new to the channel, thank you for being here. I talk stocks and some other fun, usually fun things during my daily commute, so thank you for tuning in. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, please do. You'll have several opportunities during this video. Also, make sure you not only smash that like button, but Macho Man Randy Savage flying elbow drop that like button, por favor. Kind of want to, obviously there's a lot going on in the country right now, so I just want to kind of lead off with a quote. It's actually one of my all-time favorite quotes. It actually, very fittingly, the long version of it popped up in my Facebook memories today. Basically, it goes, it doesn't matter what the politicians or the mob say. Doesn't matter if the whole world says something wrong is something right. It's your duty to plant yourself firm next to the river of truth and say, no, you move. So for everyone out there, you know what's going on. Be safe. We're with you in any way that we can be. We are with you. We are supporting you. So kind of getting into, I'm going to keep this one brief because there's a lot. I just wanted to keep on schedule here. But I don't want to take anything away from anyone else. So to get updated on how our portfolio ended for the week, we were up. You know what? I honestly never did the percentage on it. But we're up about $20 on the week. We ended the week at $198.80. We had a little bit of a dip right at the end of the trading day. We were on a nice run. Otherwise, we could have been up over 200. Oh, and you're probably wondering how we got up even that much. Wednesday night, Thursday morning before trading opened for the day, I did put in my monthly $10 investment. So I got that in there. Ended up on Friday. I bought another share. It'd be my third share of Designer Brands. I'm trying to get all of my dividend holdings up to at least 3 shares. Again, we're very small, so you know, a lot of times one share of anything takes up a good chunk of our portfolio. So did get into Designer Brands. That one had dropped off so much, though, actually, that I bought in at, you're going to notice there's a theme with 80s. I ended at $198.80 for the week. I bought Designer Brands at $6 and I think 82 cents. That brings my average down from $16.20 to like, it's still like $12.75 or something. I mean, it's ridiculous, but we got a long way to go on that one. That one's probably going to take the biggest sustained hit, because I have a feeling, being mostly a brick and mortar company with their designer shoe warehouse, nail bar, that kind of thing. They did take some steps to improve their situation, but overall they are mainly a brick and mortar operation, so I don't think they're going to have the rebound that my other holdings will, but I think they'll bounce back a little bit. So just trying to average down now while they're still relatively low. So I bought in there at I think $6.82, 81 cents for that share. I also did throw another $2 into Disney. I got them. It looked like they were going to go up a little bit and stay up, and they have since dropped down. It's like 116, but I got in at $118.72. I think that was the big thing. Yeah, I think those were my two biggest. Yeah, that was it. I got $2 worth of Disney. Got into another share of Designer Brands. I do still have a little bit left based on feedback, and I apologize. I've been pretty quiet with everything going on. I've been pretty quiet. I do need to catch up on my comments. I'm like almost 2 videos behind now on responding to comments and getting back to people. So I apologize for that. Just had a lot going on and I had no excuse, but I do owe you. You took the time to, engage on my video, so I do owe that to you, and I will get back to you. I promise that. We need to get caught up on that. So maybe while we're trying to remain relatively quiet and let those who deserve the platform have the platform right now. We'll take some time to catch up on comments. So those were my 2 moves for the week, or the end of the week. We did have a nice run up on the cryptos over the weekend. I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet because they did drop a little bit this morning. Not much. I mean, I think I'm in the green on the 2 that were in the green, Dogecoin and Bitcoin. I think I'm still in the green on those. The 2 I'm in the red, Ethereum and Litecoin. Again, those are going to be in the red for a while. But I'm looking for a certain sell point on my Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and it gets right there, and then it drops again. And it goes back up and gets right there and drops again. So I think I'm just going to have to suck it up. I'm at a point where I'm going to make money off of it right now. So might as well just let it run as high as I can and then get the heck out of it. Because I don't think I'm destined for it to not get where I want it to get to. So might as well just get that money out of there and use that for things. It's kind of like my philosophy with I want to sell Zynga and Plug, and I put that out there, and it sounds like the majority of the feedback is that I don't have any stake in the company. I don't have any love for the company, so I might as well just get out and use that money for other things. I mean, you're talking about close to $30 right there. I mean, that's a stock, a couple stocks, a few stocks, depending on what you buy into. So again, I got those. I have 2 shares of each, and I got them all off of referrals, so it's not like I paid anything for them other than, my time putting the word out there about Robinhood or whatever, and someone deciding that they like my story enough to use my referral link. So probably get rid of those. Plug was actually up a little bit. Last time I looked, it was at like 416. Zynga, Monday morning, it was up because they bought, I believe it's a gaming company out of Turkey, for a little over $1 billion. So they had a nice little run up this morning. I think they were, last I looked, up to like 930. So glad I didn't sell out on Friday to get a little bit more out of those. But definitely, if that starts to drop off again, definitely getting out of those positions. Just kind of waiting to see where they end up peaking at before I duck out. Again, my ABBV, that's one that I got on a swing trade. That was up a little bit. I think I was up to where I was like 3 cents ahead, and that one just doesn't have enough movement right this second. So I don't think I'm going to get a big like 15 or 20 cent gain out of that one like I have on some of those other ones. So I'll probably just wait till that gets up to like where I'm up a nickel and get out of that. Because actually, listening to Malone Money Mindset, Anthony over at Malone Money Mindset, his last update, his monthly update on his portfolios, talking about Pfizer, it kind of rung a bell with me that I think Pfizer will do what I'm looking at with ABBV, because like I said in my last video, ABBV I bought on a swing trade, but if I got stuck with it, I wasn't going to be mad because it's been on my watch list. It's one that I'm interested in. I think Pfizer actually would be a better fit for me because you still got your dividend. It's at a better price point where I can get I'm buying fractional shares obviously with those, and I can get into a full share, I think, a lot more quickly with Pfizer than I will with ABBV. And Pfizer's got a lot longer history, so we know it's sustainable. They're probably not going to kill their dividend or anything like that. So I think I might actually jump into that one, get out of the ABBV and jump into the Pfizer instead. Kind of gives me a little hand in the pharmaceutical industry. That's about it, other than Monday morning, first thing off, right off the bat, at market open. Everybody thought, reading some of the forums, message boards and everything, some of the groups that I'm in over the weekend, there was an expectation of a huge dip once the markets opened Monday, today, June 1st. Due to everything going on, the rioting and everything, that it was going to drive stock prices down. And initially, I did have a pretty good dip. I want to say my portfolio dropped, gosh, almost $4 or $5 right off the bat. But I took a peek before I jumped on here to do this video, and it was actually up. Actually, I think it was over 200. So I had a nice rebound throughout the day. So going to end, I got my Superman shirt on here. I'm parked, so don't worry about me taking my seatbelt off. I'm parked, got my Superman shirt. I'm going to end with a quote from the Kingdom Come version, which is basically an older, like semi-retired kind of Superman. The shield is different. It doesn't have like the gold background. It's black, the red S with a black background, and he's asked why he added the black to the background, and he said, to show that even in darkness hope cuts through, that in our darkest times it's hope that inspires us and drives us and keeps us going. So keep going, don't lose hope. We'll make it. Look out for your friends, look out for family, look out for everybody out there. Look out for each other. Take care of each other. This channel, we promote love on this channel. It's all about loving each other. Please do. Please do. Support each other in any way that you can. Today is June 1st. It is the start of Pride Month. So if you are a part of that community, hope this month is a better month. With the past few months, the way they've been crazy, man, I just hope you all have a good month. So thank you for joining in. Thank you for tuning in while we drive up stocks. I'm sorry I went long. Like I said, I was trying to go short, but you know, I'm a ramble. I ramble a lot. So thanks for sticking with us. I appreciate your support. Appreciate all the love. Have a great day.